Mame Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH so let's like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video with this area we sound back bi. Chere say NDC for there as a ton for look I say na platform bi where even ton uton na waton na we nkra there omunto enye say omudie mpo a omuton oman ni yin na ye there. They are just selling our assets anyhow. Mo betu over 30 tons of gold. And it was because deliberately, no, MPP are buying, EPC, yeah, cushion your economy, cushion our currency. And see, they were building gold reserves. Just like they were advanced nations, Mo betu sa 30 tons, no, mo say a doors to do. And I'm ton almost 18 tons. Sikano or here, mo say mo stabilize the dollar. Yes, sikakoko amakoton. Man find develop, say they stabilize the dollar. Now, however you use it to stabilize the dollar, only you people know. Because as we are talking today, dollar no was 12. A dollar no was 12. 12 and some 12 city something. But full of ball was through. Bibia ball was through. Cement ball was through. Workers in soon Muka. Lorry first air goes through. NT. Now, New Bank of Ghana, head office yes, see, and Akufo-Addo government in no. And also musi mpese mutoma obi na mutoma nipa no wia na mo abe rente wo nipa no. Oh. Ade a mu oman no die no. Mu fa sa de mu toma obi. Na mutoma nipa no wia na mo san kosa nipa ho se mu pese mo rente. NDC for no me I don't know economics ben on why because like when you listen to some of their thought process in there me I don't know muna why economics ni financial accounting ni media me a science student so educate me. Say you have maybe a car no you sell it to maybe your junior brother. Then after selling it to your junior brother, you go and take it from him again as work and pay. But your financial management no financial principle no. Then NDC for we did be now omo yet to say omo do Kwame Nkrumah saying bibia osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. NDC for omo yet to say I say Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and to be Kasak say now, yeah, small mistake, NDC for be blown out of proportion. But they are forgetting, say, or they have refused to remember, say, Kwame Nkrumah legacies in terms of factories, be brea Kwame Nkrumah jai inano. Eyomu NDC for never ton. Yeah. Eyomu NDC for. Ema obi another obi say Buzia nyeshi NDC for we are PNDC to NDC. And I'm not ton factories nina. Some of those factories are now used as church. Now say Ghana International Bank Ewa London. Ghana International Bank Ewa London. Grofo person muton also. Ye Ghana or many shares Ewa sa bank ne mono. NDC are buying with John Mama buying with person or muton shares also. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this government? You are caretakers. You are not owners. You are caretakers. We've only voted for you for a 4-year period. 4-year period. I idea man say, "Musu come and implement your vision for Omaya yena no." And na mu abuse say. Very, very pathetic. Extremely pathetic and disappointing. Anybody been? And this if all become once and cry now, yeah, you even get you even I mean.
My dear, Nanny answer the Yankopon beba, say we are see Yankopon, but we are sent back on a year. Rollins bebre was samado. The mere fast what Timmy se quadrin be home. As me person me a here for any sikafo in a bedina one skill. And so now and yet the true motive no not or no. I want you to know when a bush you man, what you are no. Enti na ma o decide say me person me faculty kwansa me be ye and I may best change the destiny of my family. Enti ma memra mete ma me ye ku. Na me ente political party. And no kotam party be FN PNDC NDC no mkotam de bayo. Ama Enkroma companies will be over 200 companies is the same Rollins. And they decided so mo beton acha mo ho. Enti ebi na ene da Hoy brothers neti anoma dani ni TV3 na ye Gamma films yi. And some can be or the man the Irajaman Rollins ye nim ye kosi ye egu so ma ton mo bi fufu I don't even know. Enti ama osha NDC for omo history omo no see antonton ade wono wo mbo bra wa yesa ayisikani ba ama sikafo ma bebre na agimi omo nyansa di nyansa omo nhye da ni bi enti wo ko old estates bi to say down so ma money ade a ene ehiafo ma atini use adwene akọ school ne strategy ayiro mo ho eto esikafo no etikafo no properties omo jagu down so ma nyina ehiafo ma neto miminim hia ni bi ba hia ni bubura na watimi anya ska wonto ofie wodanzo makra watom yensa enso esikani bi ene bebre ye be ye adwuma ebeto ofie no jagu because wentimi antete ne mama ne ma enya proper experience intino enei omo ton wadwapa the easiest way and I said the easiest form omo for some betimi they making money is to sell these properties. That is the typical NDC for you. NDC on want to mean nwene emfa company ni bi mfa ma on to mean nwene emfa dwapade ni bi enja Ghana banyansa ye de ton ade de eno nkwa de omu benya yen toni yen cheni brass band NDC for hallmark NDC for talent ba akono no enti wo no mutimi fa bi ma but o betimi aton de o beto ye no. That is the reason why NDC for atam e de ato mo so say every single property bia Ghana wo majority shares on bia ye beton. We will not bring any proper negotiation. Yankoye any proper negotiation. Enti ni ye timi kwatam say ye koton ye lithium ni ye ko no. Ekofo do mo say deal na ye ko strike ni ye benya mu royalties 10%. NDC for say ye nyintum omo ba no makoje 5%. Party political party the entire party ni no ma asenye. Enti when it comes to calculations NDC for adie bia ye de mass beto hu bia bebu omo because omo ma asenye. How can you tell me? I say you have over 64% shares in the bank of your friend say Ghana International Bank. Na mumudi mujimie dodro. Atina Ghana has a nanadu gold reserve or build di jaye no. No amount ni anya bibia mama si mwacha one boy koro no. Momo ba ye fiti kwa Nkrumah parents o jaye 8 tons. Egu ye gold reserve. It took the wisdom of your friend saying Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia to decide certain year COVID the buy a Haiti any Russia Ukraine way. Me asu yan build gold reserve ni bi mu ho. Enom ko build gold reserve ama. Omo build gold reserve enti se bi na MPP fo nim sanyansa se enka ye to gold na guo no enka ye fa sha dollar mu e ma dollar mra 10 cedi ana dollar mra 4 cedi na MPP fo ntimi nya sanyansa no. Even the former governor catches say if I want to bring dollar to 4 cedis I can do it but it's not sustainable. The underlying word here is it is not sustainable. Enya dia metimi anya for the long term. Enti mi disikado do bi ahyemwa mi tu skanegu. NDC buy esiama say why dare you? Me dia meton gold reserve ne dia shem even though I know it's not sustainable. That is a dumb fellow. Ama that is a dumb fellow. It's not sister Asiama doesn't know. He knows. Asiama is not just dumb, he is wicked in his dumbness. And when in professor Adiana Meya no, Adia we mean to me proper long-term results. But hey, for the first shortest pleasure na menya no, meye. For the shortest pleasure na mi menya, a man can for Ghana for my fans. Ye kasa this yard ye keke. For the shortest time, I will deplete our God reserve to do this buffoonery. Na kiyenyane say na maami. Why did NDC sa eka bebreba Bank of Ghana boy amam kwa fefidi he? Enya bringing the dollar to 10 cedi. Ena boy sa aka femfina mo no. Nyansa e wo mene de ye wahia ma. Adwene nko na nyansa nko na de bia ya kana eya na nipa nyina wa adwene but ebi adwene ye moa adwene na de binum tirim. The earlier we start differentiating between adwene ni nyansa the better. And this political party no wo ma shorty nyansafo nyansa enim, because you cannot tell me ese wa boka ye bisa se kwan be na ofo so boka wo se meton ye gold nyina agu ho ese me de kwache dollar wonya aboa na nwura mu no wantena. What is wrong with us? Ede na haye what bosaka we yet ya also koton Bank of Ghana edifice. How can you tell me sir what they can $9 billion and you are going to sell an edifice? Sisi your value edifice na $300 million. Me what they can 9 billion. Ama, we need to see it me find out say 64% shares now omo person omo koton no. Or you quantify in money. How is it going to reduce our debt? Now it will be a drop in an ocean. They just want to sell this property omo tom and that's it. And if they tell me say omo person omo chia kana omo boa.
Omo power 2016 they messed it up. So the bank was running at a loss.
Bank of your first Ghana Bank of your first Ghana International Bank. What send and yana do a buy no munim dear no minasa. And can a betinya your property and moko betia about mutimsa monkoton. Monkoton mo shares with shimmy draw. Political party mwatwa nyanseni baku say yes she be a yabiwum.
But you say kweku ani do so bisa sempeni for asan when this one.
I'm a penny nim. Penny the NDC no ebi nim because omo no manyi omo ne nkwala ne ekọ omo kwa ma omo ne nkwala ne ekọ wo mo ko sika wi omo ne nkwala ne ekọ because President Mahama na kasa be ka che say na adu si wanyini ntu ono wontimi mu yekro no enso na adu be ma ne nuanu mo ane ne cousins awi ama no etie ne wale ye fe ne say Mahama betena so wo ma ye nyina ya te ye wo asese wo ma Ibrahim na ewia Ghana skama no. So Ibrahim is looting the fence Ghana. Mahama Emma Ibrahim and looting Ghana in disguise. And the property biya. Yes, Ibrahim they are the only legitimate businessman. Ama. This is where we have gotten to as a country. And I am telling you, sir, some kwasi adie Ghana International Bank omo person koton ye shares. Ama wo mo ton ama wo mo ho. Yenchendi Brasman, and no more person more, and we will not allow it. Ama, yen jintum, Messi will be answer Messiama, as $1 a quite no more fast, Yansana or Munya, yes, $1 no, almost percent Yansana, Ama, no more venture can no more Bank of Ghana, no, almost any property of Ghana to offset it. Nobody sent them when they were busy pumping $4.4 billion into the forest. Yamatana Hame who did it. When they were busy injecting this money into the forest, social media now they say, "Munya jimiano na the ripple effect of what you people are doing, no, it will cost us." Yanka, mako di munkwasi asama wie, mako di munsem hunu ewie. Ebe kache se mo be ton Ghana and Japadie nyina, e dey offset what debt? Who sent you to bring dollar down? How is dollar now from? How is it affecting your life? As citizens of this country, citizens of Ghana, yet Ghana Kuruma, how is the dollar down affecting me? Because me the dollar, me this city. And more buaba from. No. I just am kwasi amona mkwasi sabegu Kuruma and open the answer so. A dear pana aba for mama, and now will be a cotton magin rubber. Sir, your friend say, my magin rubber, say blue bandos, magic SCAB rubber ginger some anyama or 20,000 Ghana cedis. margin rubber sa margin rubber ibi auto ginger no 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Me sure say the biggest bucket. Is it a big bucket?
There's a margin big bucket no. We use mostly a day for baking no. Most of the people that use it in bakers they use it no. Me say ginger anyama 1,000 Ghana cedis. $80 na mo kwache ba from no. How has dollar impacted our lives? Dollar na e wo from no and the remittances esonte ye. What we kept on telling you, say the ripple effect of the buffoonery you people are displaying. No, what were you thinking? Because mo to end this for mo to kwan. Eti ya kan kwofo egu akwantum na dodo na MPP for. Eti mo nkwase asem yi, mo ye amaje se mo nkwotenko, ebi mo so mo nkofie nkotena enkwoto aba. Eho no mo we are no longer. Yes, Aniska, Emma Ghana biem, ama. This is where we find ourselves. Etiasiama obian so master kwache dollar. When I would do shimi dodo e kwache dollar. E kwanya wo de befa so obetua sa eka no. Kwana kopeni sika no. You are not going to sell a single property of Ghana to offset your foolishness. Obian so mamo. Because dollar na mo kwache ye no. Ghana ni bia no not Ghana. Aso obeka isen fa so aba so ama no. E mekwo bua ma afom. Entosu bua ma afom. Dokuno yenti so pure water matum dokuno ebu akwasoro. So you people shouldn't come and tell us say mo kwa another Nkrumah campaign was on no so di jaye. Ese mo kwaton dia kwa akotua mo ka ya ansoma mo munya chimie no. We will not allow it. Whoever that will buy this offense, the Ghana International Bank no, the person buys it at his own peril. Open and one some kotos ejapade where ama nisika ebeye neka yebeje finansam when power changes hands. Obekwa ko shine this for head office so ko cheers kanu no akwaje because ask omo koton kwa ama the money will still not come to Ghana. Yeah, farmer Ghana for my best chedi. And anyone who makes the mistake of buying this property from John Mahama and his cohort, we are telling you people say as the country called Ghana yebeje free monsam. Enough is enough. Over 200 companies and Nkrumah beja no. Maton ninyina you sold all. What did be ma suffer for no? I'm what the adani sorry. Baku way a Ghana International Bank Muguno Asiama under your watch it collapsed. It took the wisdom of the Talmud Bamia and Nanado to revive this again. And then abaya attractive. It's most akoton. Why Jimmy? Muni answer. Edian has a political party near friend NDC no.
Ama let me. Nyansa ni bi wa se ho no mu bisa se who has been selling Ghanaian properties.
Onko bisa ne se. Ne se control no onko bisa no. Ni Jimmy for na se ko fa ye friend say. Wa fa contraceptive no. Onko bisa no. Ofa ni Jimmy ma ha me bisa question. Kwa ko bisa wo se
na fesi ma me
na ko. Ya ni bra ye pense mu.